welcome back. As you see, we're back in the truck. And today we are actually going to be doing a bracelet. Like this necklace, we're going to be doing a bracelet with these types of loops, but with a little bit of a twist. You'll get it. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to be, again, taking a popsicle stick and using it to measure out about 10 links. I'll probably do like 2 or 3 extras just in case. But instead of doing just one popsicle stick, I'm going to be doing 3. And I'm going to layer them. So then it gives me a little bit of extra material for when I twist these links. So then it's going to be a twisted link with a round link. Let's get started. Okay, so there's like 12 to 13 links on here. Just leave these on here for right now. And we're going to grab the circular one. And make about 10 to 15 of the circular rings. So I actually put a staple here, and I think I said this last time, but the staple really helps. All you need to do is make a loop on whatever metal you're using, loop it around that staple, and it holds the piece firm. Alright, so now that we have these done and these done, we're going to cut them off. So now we've got 19 of the circles. This is kind of funky. It's because it's wrapped. Boing. It's kind of a cool design. Alright, let's get this back on, because I can't cut it like that. It keeps springing. Alright, so now we have 12 of the long ones. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be soldering all of these together, stretching them out like we did with these to make them uniform. Then we're going to be taking 2 parts of this dowel. I'm going to just cut 2 parts off, put them on each side of the soldered piece and twist them until the circles are the same diameter as this rod, because then they'll be the same diameter as these little ones. And then we'll put it together. Alright, I'm going to be filing the ends flat and flush so that we can solder them. And again, we're starting with the long pieces. Every single time I bring it up, I'm checking it against the light to see if there's any gap in between the joint. So if I can bring it up to the light and look through it and see that there's a gap, then I need to file it down more and adjust it more until there's no gap. Alright, so there's a few of those that I'm probably going to have to resolder, but let's leave them in the pickle for right now, and just for a little bit, and we will test them like we tested these ones by prying them apart. Alright, now that we have these out, this one I already can tell. This one, yep. Yep. Alright, so 3 of them did not solder correctly. So we're going to have to clean these up and try and resolder them. Alright, so now that we wait for those 3 to pickle, I'm just going to take two slices out of this. Alright, so I'm actually going to try using these paint brushes. Maybe this will... Yep, so it looks like I'm just going to be twisting these by hand. Just using my best judgment. Alright, well that's the end of this episode. I believe next week we will be taking the twisted bars and making them into the bracelet, soldering the jump rings, and then cleaning it up all together. I had fun with this little project. It's fairly simple and a different version of this design. If you liked this video, hit that like button, and if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button so then you get notified whenever I make a video. I try making videos about once a week, every Sunday. I believe this project I'm actually going to be selling, so I'm going to be selling this bracelet. I'm going to have to figure out how much, and then I will be posting it up online, and hopefully I get some interested people. So I can't wait until next week, and I hope that I see you all there, and have a wonderful evening.